हेलो दोस्तों, उम्मीद है तव्हां सभु ख़ैरियत सां हूंदो। अॼु असां हिते मरी मस्जिद आहियूं, जेके इस्लामाबाद जी मशहूरु मस्जिद आहे मरी मस्जिद ब्रांच जंहिंजी जेको आहे सो बांधीअ में ॿाहिरि
रोड में पता थे
बिरिया रोड में पता हीअ असांजो बाइक क्या वारो आहे। हीअ असांखे 2600 रुपया किरायो थो वठे। अब छो वठते हो 2600 रुपया किरायो?
बाइक के वाला पेट्रोल महंगा
थिया न, तो आपको नहीं पता पेट्रोल महंगा थिया ने थे हैं? आपको
नहीं पता ना।
पेट्रोल, गाड़ी का मोबिलाइल, ये चीजें भी लेनी पड़ती है। और कितना दूर है, आप कहाँ से आए? पिंडी से आए?
पिंडी से थोड़ी आए, इस्लामाबाद से आए।
हां ये मरी मस्जिद है बाबा। हाँ ये बाइक यारो ना है। असांजो दोस्त आई मिले हेलमेट पाड़े यार का जोरी वठी आयो मां ॾेखारिस मु। दिस इज मी एक्चुअली दिस इज मुजीब समो।
हां अगर जी का मजबूर है
करे दानो हे ॾिसो था रोड केड़ा वेकरा ना। असांजो ॻोठ में एॾा रस्ता आहिनि ई। दिस मैन इज फ्रॉम रशिया एंड ही इज करंटली रिसाइडिंग इन Qatar.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name, Ben?
Alexander.
Alexander.
Yeah.
So, could you please tell me that how did you find the environment here?
Environment of Islamabad is really amazing, and especially this mosque. So incredible.
So this mosque name is Mari. You know, before the independence of Pakistan, this mosque's name was Mari Masjid. And now when Turkish people.
No, I think that this mosque was built in 1980s, and this is gift from Shah Faisal, I think.
Yeah.
So
Shah Faisal, but before that, this mosque name was Shah Faisal. Could you please say some word? I'm gonna repeat for you.
Yeah.
Could you please say, after me? Sindhi mano, Sindhi mano, dada, pyara, ahin. Aun asa chahiyo tha ta Sindhi manu panji study te focus kan nyanen te nya rin te agar je focus kanda tha padhai bhi vindan
डिस्ट्रैक्ट थी
padhai bhi vindan aun jeko aso dalil bhi thinda
जेका सा
दलील थींदा so okay that's nice. Okay again so do you have a girlfriend? Are you married?
I'm busy. No,
you don't have time like people here always
many more, but I don't have right now.
Okay, you don't have in Pakistan.
Yeah.
But you have in Qatar.
Yeah, Qatar, Russia.
So you want
Thailand.
to make your girlfriend here in
No,
Pakistan?
not at all. No, not at all.
So you don't like girl?
I like.
You do,
I
but you are not interested. As you are committed.
No, I was committed, but that the people
You are not
here
interested
good.
right now.
So
Okay, all
I
right.
Think about that.
Okay. So this man is Aziz Burdo. He has done his graduation from Oxford University.
Aziz
Burdo.
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Aziz Burdo. So he has done lots of research on love, especially betrayal.
Love.
Yeah.
Okay.
Love. And betrayal. He thinks that the people who are getting into the girlfriend life, they should focus only the studies. Now he is like spreading the good news. He is letting people know that this is not gonna work for you, or you have to focus on the study. That's all.
Yeah,
it's gonna work for you.
Yeah, every person should focus on their careers, but
Nobody is trying to.
I'm always motivate my friends, every person we are
to involve.
English में गला, accent गला.
To involve in love.
No.
Yeah, for what?
English में गला, English में गला.
Focus.
English में गला.
No.
Accent में गला ना, गला इन जो.
Yes, I'm talking
English.
English in accent.
Okay.
So
जोर से
all of friends, my
English में accent.
who are
all of my friends. This is my.
the girls
Yeah.
and love. I am also motivated.
अब accent में गला ना British accent. Bro, speak in a British accent, bro.
No,
this is not the way.
No need to British accent,
Not
baby.
British.
Yeah.
American is good.
Pakistan guys.
American accent is
No,
good.
but we love British accent, yo.
No.
Yeah, you love British accent?
Yeah.
I love also. I really love. So it's amazing.
Yeah, me too. So where are you gonna go after visiting Faisal Mosque? Like, do you have any other places for the?
Yep, a lot here.
You're gonna be visiting next few days.
We'll go from here to Murray.
You're gonna go to Murray.
Then Chitral.
हाँ.
I have visited also there. twice.
बाइक कल वर्ती आई कि चेंज चक्कर बकर जा रहे हैं तो कहीं
And Gilgit also, and Peshawar. I like food, so
So you don't want to go in Sindh?
I really want to go. Yeah.
So I would suggest you to please go in Sindh, especially in the rural areas. People there
Just like
are
Thar.
really
really
kind.
kind.
Like Thar, like
Thar,
Mohenjo-daro.
like Mohenjo-daro and Larkana. So if you go there, you're gonna find the people. They are very humble. They are honest people.
You Sindhi people really work on your tourism department to aware people about your Sindhi culture, because I have a lot of foreigners who said that we will go to Pakistan just here in Chitral, Gilgit and Kashmir. So they didn't ask me.
See,
told me
so
about any
government
Sindhi.
बुधो तबाह करे छॾिया ता टूरिस्ट जो सिस्टम असांजो ॾिस भाऊ हे रशियन आहे हे बना
गिलगित वारा माण्हू ॿुधाइनि पिया त हिते न वञो सिंध में हीअं आहे हीअं आहे।
नवा पोइ सिंध में डिमोटिवेट त कंदा पर बा सिंध में हुकूमत अहिड़ो तबाह करे छॾियो आहे न भा गलियूं न आहिनि को माण्हू ढंग रस्ते जा ॿारनि जा कचा पिया आहिनि पेपर कढनि था त वरी डस्टबिन में नथा
The foreign tourist mostly knows about Gilgit and Chitral and KPK, especially in Punjab, in Lahore, but they don't know about Sindh. I think only about they know just Karachi, but don't know about any other thing, any other city in Sindh.
We have
Because
Hyderabad, like
this
we
is
have
the-
Nawabshah.
I think this is the lack of confidence of your government.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, yes,
Actually,
definitely.
you are right.
They are actually not sincere with our people, with our in the development. They are not into it. They are only just robbing the money from the people, looting
Yeah.
only. They are considering our people taxes like a male ganimat.
Government is not willing to modify
British
them
accent,
and,
bro.
and-
British accent.
and,
I told you that
invite
you have
the
to
other
speak in a
person
British
who came
accent,
here
bro.
and-
This is not the way. This is a British.
Let me talk. I'm talking with you. Let me
With
talk.
him, with
Yeah.
you know.
With him.
Whatever, I'm talking
our-
with
Wait,
you. Let me talk.
you are talking with her?
Just a minute, Hamza, please.
Okay.
دقيقة واحدة بس يكفي نذهب.
So
He also speak Arabic as well. This guy over here is a Qatari guy. Could you please say something in Arabic language for us? Like how can we?
كيف حالك؟
الحمد لله أنا بخير.
هذا الطقس جيد جدا في اسلام اباد، المعتدل ليس حار وليس معتدل، والله احسن، الناس جيد، الباكستانيون والمستضعفون وكلهم جيد الحمد لله. واسلام اباد هنا
Could you please
كيف
say
تنظر؟
something like to our government, government and especially in Sindh, that in Arabic language that you should focus on the people's development.
لازم عليك الحكومة.
Sindh government, People's
على
Party.
حكومة السند People's Party.
لازم عليهم ان تعمل للناس، ان تعمل للانفراستراكشر، ان تعمل للدراسات وللناس كلهم. لازم عليهم كمثل الحكومه الكيبيكيه والحكومه البنجابيه يعملون عمل جيد جدا فيك، ولكن في السند ما فهمت، ما شاهدت، ما سمعت حتى الان. هناك المدينه جيده كمثل لاهور، كمثل بشاور، ليس هنا واحد الا كراتشي، والتورست لا يعرفونه الا واحد.
إلا واحد.
فلسطينيين
فلسطينيين
كيف مهم حال
هم فلسطينيون، نحن أبناؤهم وأخوانهم
Al-Qassam, do you support Al-Qassam, Hamas?
Hamas
Al-Qaeda.
is
They are resistant group.
resistant group.
People are labeling them. They are terrorist group. They are not terrorist.
No,
group.
I don't think so. They are terrorists.
They are resistant. They are resilient. They are fighting for their own cause.
freedom
But it's some
fighters.
Western media.
Freedom fighters, yeah.
They are portraying them that these are people terrorists.
Yeah.
I can tell the Western media that show me any incident that they have done to out of their countries. They are only fighting in their own.
Yeah,
they are
right.
fighting for their
You're
land,
right.
and people are especially sorry to say, but this is the Western media how they portray the Middle Eastern people.
Russia don't love Western people, you know?
Yeah, I know.
We love the metric Kharatoum. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Can I go now?
Yeah,
Thank you
you
so
can.
much.
Thank you so much for your having us.
We are
students?
Yeah.
We are
In which
also
university?
in Qaid Azam University.
Okay.
बड़ी मेहरबानी चाचा तव्हां टाइम ॾिनो
Chacha, I'm Chacha. Yeah, you are.
You know about the cha-cha. Okay, all right, bro.